So first off, you open up your browser. It could be Firefox or Chrome, whichever you use to browse. And then you type the following address. Okay, so it's going to bring you up to this page. So whatever comes up, just click on I agree. And then click on the download button. And then your download should start. Now, for some of you, something might pop up. So just click on save if anything pops up. Okay, so when that's done, you need to press these two keys, Ctrl and J together. It's going to bring out the list of all your downloads. So the very top one is going to be the Sublime test you just downloaded. So all you need to do is you click on it. A window is going to pop up, so just click on run, and then it's going to open up the installation window. So you just click on next, click on next again, click on install, so that will get it installed. So it might take a while, just wait for it to finish. So when it's done, just click on finish. Now you've installed Sublime. Now to get started using your Sublime, all you need to do is go to your Windows key and type Sublime. You're going to see Sublime text. Click on it and then it's going to open. Good. So if you have this window, congratulations, you installed Sublime text.